Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to face swap any video using free AI. So there's a deepfake tools in 2025 which is in like acool.com. It is a premium quality AI face swap tools. You will just choose a file or drag a drop and you will just copy the link from the YouTube or TikTok. So I will just use this. So I will just use it like demo. You will just also try for the demo, and here you will see this is the demo, and I will just put like this one, just tap on it. So if I just age, re-age, you will just select the re-age and classic model. So there you will just feature this classic model. I will just choose it. So you will just have to simply tap on it, generate premium result for 20 credits. So success upgrade plan will greatly speed up tasks, so you will have to wait for the moment. So finally my video is ready, so I will just tap on it to play, and let's see. So in this way you will have to use this tool which is called acool.com to face swap any video using. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.